Welcome to this custom deep dive. So for you listening, our mission today is to extract the most important insights from a highly technical product page.
Yeah, it is definitely a dense one.
Right. We are looking at the Celerity UFO-DP-RX20. It's a universal fiber optic DisplayPort Receiver Lead, and it's sold by a company called HDTVSupply.
A very specialized piece of
Okay,
gear.
let's unpack this. It's currently priced at $189, which is actually marked down from $260. But why is this tiny, this UFO receiver so vital for commercial and high-end residential AV setups?
Well, before we look at the buying experience, we really first need to understand the hardware itself. Because standard cables, they just won't cut it for this kind of application.
Yeah, standard copper just hits a physical wall eventually.
Exactly.
So to make an analogy, this receiver acts as like a flawless high-speed translator. I mean, it basically takes a traditional DisplayPort connection and adapts it to an MPO fiber optic plug. It's effectively turning a normal AV signal into pure light.
It is. And what's fascinating here is the sheer power it's handling. We are talking about DisplayPort 1.4, which gives you 32.4 gigabits of bandwidth per second.
That is a massive amount of data.
It's huge. Plus, you get HDCP 2.3 and full HDR support. And the reason this matters to you, the listener, is distance. If you need maximum bandwidth over a long run for, say, a huge projector or a massive video wall,
Traditional copper cables are just going to lose data.
right, they degrade. But this fiber optic receiver guarantees perfect audio and video transmission no matter the distance.
Because it's using light instead of electricity.
Exactly. No electromagnetic interference at all.
Wow, okay. So while the technology is built to flawlessly transfer data without any bottlenecks, the actual purchasing process is where we see some surprising human friction.
Oh, absolutely. Which brings us to the vendor, HDTVSupply.
Right.
On paper, they look fantastic. They boast 25 years of the business. They offer a 2-year product warranty on this receiver, and they have an impressive 4.7 out of 5 overall rating.
That is really solid for a niche market.
Yeah, and customers actually explicitly praise their responsive staff. You see people thanking Mike and Rachel in the reviews for helping them out.
Well, here's where it gets really interesting.
Right.
Because if the vendor is so reliable, what is happening with this one customer, Robert B?
The credit card review, right?
Yeah. He left a review stating that trying to order from this company consistently causes his credit card to be flagged for fraud.
It's such a specific problem.
Right. I mean, why does buying highly specialized AV gear trigger a bank's security algorithms?
Well, it comes down to automated fraud detection. HDTVSupply is selling heavy-duty, commercial-grade gear. If you are an average consumer and your normal purchase history is just, groceries and gas,
A sudden random charge at a specialized B2B vendor looks suspicious.
precisely. The bank's algorithm doesn't know what a fiber optic receiver is. It just sees a statistical anomaly and blocks the transaction entirely.
So the technology itself works perfectly, but the bank becomes this accidental gatekeeper.
Yeah, exactly.
So just to wrap this deep dive up for you, the Celerity UFO-DP-RX20 is a seriously powerful, specialized tool for heavy-duty AV needs.
And it is backed by a very responsive vendor.
Assuming your payment actually processes, of course.
Right, assuming you can get past the fraud alert.
Yeah. Which leaves you with a final thought to ponder. We have engineered these incredible fiber optic cables capable of flawlessly firing 32.4 gigabits of data per second across massive distances.
A literal technological marvel.
Yeah, absolutely. But are our overly cautious financial algorithms becoming the ultimate bottleneck to actually acquiring next-generation technology?